Progress tracking is one of the new features in Ultra that can be really helpful for students. If you have progress tracking turned on in your course, when they expand a module or a folder, they'll see each item has an empty circle next to it the first time that they open it. Once they open an item to read or look at, they'll see that that item in the course content becomes partially filled in. And if it's something like a document that they can read at their own pace or a link that they visit, they can mark it complete on their own. If it's an item they need to submit something for, like a quiz, once they open that quiz, they'll see that they've accessed it and it's partially filled there, but it won't be marked as complete until they actually submit the item. To enable progress tracking in your course, navigate to Course Settings from the link in the top right corner next to the gear icon and scroll down to the Progress Tracking section. Right now, progress tracking is enabled in this course, so if I want to turn it off, I can click that to toggle it off or on. Now, if you do have progress tracking on, you as the instructor will be able to see student progress for certain items. To see that, you could click the three dots to the right of a module or an item and select Student Progress. Here you can see whether a student has started it or if it's unopened, if it's been marked as complete, or if it's in progress. You can also see the student's progress in the gradebook. If you navigate to the gradebook, the Students tab, and open a specific student to look at, in the Progress tab, you'll be able to see where they are in the course. So you can see which items that they have opened and marked as complete, or which items have not yet been accessed. It's a good idea to let students know that this is the kind of information you can see, even though it's not a part of their grade. We hope this has been a helpful introduction to some of the tools in Blackboard Ultra. If you're an instructor who needs help in Ultra, contact the UAA instructional designers at uaa_design@alaska.edu or book an appointment at bit.ly/UAA_design. If you're a student who needs help in Ultra, contact UAA's Technical Support Center at uaa.techsupport@alaska.edu or call 907-786-4646.